All right, good morning. For those of you who are joining me on the Earth the Elements Energy Challenge, this is for week 3, and our theme is all about joy. This morning we're going to be tracing our radiant circuits, and what do you know? They're all about joy. Okay, they're basically little well springs of joyous energy that we can tap into anytime. They are an energy system in the body, very, very primal and very intelligent. They can actually gravitate towards any part of the body. Let's say, your stomach's upset or anything like that. That energy from that radiant circuit can actually go towards that area. A little bit more, I have my little notes over here. I just wanted to tell you a little bit about the radiant circuits, because if this is the first time that you're hearing about them, it might be like, what the heck are we talking about? So just like we've talked about the aura before, we've talked about chakras already. So this is just another energy system within the body, okay? And they really do promote all about joy. If negativity is really persistent in your life, this is really, really great for you. If you have any habits or if you're caught up in the past, this is really, really good for you. Or even if you're just not feeling like yourself, these are really great for you. So what I'm going to do, I don't want to talk too long, I'm going to teach you how to trace them so you can incorporate this with the daily energy routine or whenever you feel like it, okay? So I'm going to step back, I'm going to point this down, that way you can see me. There we go. Oh, and I wanted to show you guys my little roses. Look how cute they are. Oh my God. Little gift from the boyfriend, and they're so adorable. So one of the things that really promotes joy within me is having fresh flowers all around my house. I have my bonsai right over there chilling. He's getting some water. I love to bring nature in, and so that's something that I try to have every single week. Okay. Radiant circuits, here we go. Okay, so this is the order that I like to do them in. So just follow along with me, even if you have no idea what we're doing. It will work either way. So we're going to start by rubbing our hands together and shaking them off. Okay, just take a moment to ground. And with radiant circuits, they really like a slow, broad hand touch, okay, along your body. So the slower you go and the more intentional you are, the better. So we're going to start on our face, and we're going to go kind of make a heart around our face to our chin, okay? You're going to stretch out your neck, and then we're going to take our hands in slowly on the inner sides of our hand off of our palm. Inner sides of our arm, off of our palm. And then we're just going to go on the front part of our body. Okay, can you also see me? Okay, perfect. All the way down onto our feet. Okay, that's the first one. I always love to come up the spleen meridian whenever I am down below. So I'm going to do it how I do it, okay? So we're going to come up spleen. So you're going to go the inner sides of the big toe and up the inner legs. You're going to flare out at the hips. Come up to the shoulder, kind of the armpit area, and down. I always like to give it a little tap. Okay, we're going to do the next one. So the next one, you're going to go and kind of like you're brushing your hair back, okay? So you're going to go up and back, okay? And just like we did the front sides, the inner sides of our arms, we're going to do the back sides of our arms. This is the yang meridian for this radiant circuit. Sorry, not meridian, the yang side, okay? And on the back, we're just going to go all the way down the backs of our legs and off. There we go. And then again, you can come up spleen if you want. Okay. All right, the next one we're going to do is you're going to start at the base of the skull. Okay. You're going to go up around the head to your forehead, cheekbones, and chest. And we're going to make 3 hearts coming up around our chest. And then going down our legs, okay? And then just do a yoga stretch here with your peace fingers wrapped around your big toe, and just try to straighten your legs. So just do a little hamstring stretch just for a minute, and then come up spleen. And sometimes I don't like to really tap, and I like to kind of do little figure eights right there. That feels nice. Okay, the next one is a really good one to have with a partner, but you can still do it to yourself. You're going to do the same motion coming up and around the head, and you're going to pretend like you're drawing figure eights all the way down your back. And if you're flexible, if you have good shoulder blades and flexible shoulders, which I don't have, okay, you can actually reach up and go all the way down. Okay, and once you get to like your glutes, you're just gonna, I like to smooth them out. I like to pause behind the knees and do figure eights right there. And then go all the way down. And right when you get to your Achilles heel, you're just gonna give it a slight little pinch. Okay? Come up, spleen. Okay. The next one we're going to do is I want you to find your belly button and trace it all the way back. So it's like as if your belly button is going all the way through where your back is. That spot on your back is a really important point called the Mingmen. And we're going to just massage that point. Okay? And I want you to start at that point, go down. And I like to kind of dig in a little bit to my back and massage your sacrum. Then you're going to go from there, go up and around your hips, up the top of your hips, down to the pubic bone, and up, all the way up, and just give yourself a little smile right there. Okay? The next one is called the belt flow, and we're going to start at the same point. I like to just kind of wake up that point one more time. Okay? You're going to start there, and I love this one. This one feels so good. So you're just going to start wrapping all the way to the opposite hip. So it's like hip to hip around the belly. That's why it's called the belt flow. Okay, and once you feel like you have all the energy up on the other side, you're just going to rake it all the way down the leg, and there it goes. And I like to trace spleen up on that side. I'll give it a little tap. And we're going to go the opposite way. So again, find that point, and you're going to rake. Drag that energy across the belly, opposite hip, gather it up, and go all the way down. Off the foot, and then trace spleen. There we go. All right, now we're just going to do spleen. Spleen is actually a good one to do just by itself, just really intentional, giving it a little bit of love. And then we're going to trace what's called the triple warmer meridian backwards, because sometimes that meridian is a little bit more energized than it should be, and it really is our kind of inner guardian and warrior, and it's stressed out a lot of the time, but it does its job. But sometimes we just like to calm it. So we're going to go from our temple, go up and around the ear, down the neck, down the shoulder, to the back of the shoulder, and off that ring finger. Okay, and really slow, the opposite side. There we go. And we're just going to end with going up central, okay, and going up governing. So starting at your sacrum, trace up your spine. If you're flexible, you can meet it, but if not, it's still going to connect. You're going to go up and around your head all the way here, and we're going to end with what we call a hook up. So you're going to put one finger in your belly button, one finger in between your eyes, okay, and you're just going to press in. I'll come a little closer. You're just going to press in, and you're going to pull up, relax the neck. Just take slow breaths here. If the belly button isn't doing it for you, you can always put, there's another point just in the PowerPoint part of your head. So right where like the skull meets the neck, you can do there as well. Okay, so you're just going to hold that until you feel kind of the sense of release. Maybe there's a slight yawn, and you're good to go. So this was about a 10-minute tutorial. Once you get it down, it will be much, much quicker. But again, you want to be intentional, and you want to be really slow and give those radiant circuits some love, and you're going to feel great. If you have any questions or comments down below, I will answer anything you might have, and I hope you have a great day. Embrace joy, live life fully, and I love you so much. Have a good day, guys.